These birds are not looking for lice. Instead, they are collecting materials to build their nests. These are magpies, and they often take panda fur as nesting material. Magpies are highly intelligent birds known for their resourcefulness. They carefully select soft and warm materials to ensure their chicks have a comfortable and secure nest. This behavior also helps them camouflage their nests and regulate temperature, giving their young a better chance of survival. Interestingly, magpies have been observed returning to the same locations to gather fur, showing their remarkable memory and strategic thinking in nest building.